Air Force Research Laboratory demonstrates AI-piloted XQ-58A Valkyrie Uncrewed jet aircraft. U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory conducted first-ever flight of XQ-58A Valkyrie Uncrewed jet aircraft using artificial intelligence agents, algorithms, on July 25. The mission demonstrated a multi-layer safety framework for AI/ML flown uncrewed aircraft and showcased an AI/ML agent solving a tactically relevant problem during airborne operations. AI/ML agents' capabilities include executing modern air-to-air and air-to-surface skills, which can be transferred to the CCA, Comprehensive Combat Airspace, program. Algorithms controlling the XQ-58A were developed by AFRL's Autonomous Air Combat Operations Team. AI algorithms underwent significant development and training, including millions of hours in high-fidelity simulation events, sorties on the X-62 VISTA, hardware-in-the-loop events with the XQ-58A, and ground test operations. The team utilized a combination of high-performance computing, modeling and simulation, and hardware-in-the-loop testing to train the AI agent for safe uncrewed flight operations. The Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie has a capacity of 600 pounds internally and externally, with a length of 30 feet and a wingspan of 27 feet. It weighs 2,500 kilograms empty and can take off at a maximum weight of 6,000 kilograms. Valkyrie can fly at speeds of up to Mach 0.72. Its range is 3,000 nautical miles while service ceiling is 45,000 feet. The $4-5 million drone can join drone swarms and launch from various platforms. Thank you for watching DefenseMirror.com. Subscribe the channel and share the video.